Hello friends, welcome to this video. Today we are going to study collection of data. First question, what is data? When you see the term data, it is nothing but a crude data or raw data. What is a crude or raw data? It means it is not classified, it is unclassified, it is unorganized, it is unstructured. So this crude data cannot be used for analysis purpose. This is called data. This data can be converted into information. So what is information? Information means classified data, structured data, organized data. When the data is unorganized, it is called raw data. When the data is properly classified, organized and structured, it is called an information. So this information alone can be used for analysis regarding research. Now, the first question, what is primary data? Data is broadly classified into two types. One is called the primary data and another one is called secondary data. Now, primary data, it means first-hand information or original data. Why it is called first-hand information? Because primary data is not already available. It is not already existing. It is totally new and it is collected by the researcher first. So it is called first-hand information. Primary data is useful for the research purposes regarding HR, human resource, marketing research and so on. For these purposes, we need primary data. Next question. What are the sources of primary data? Or how primary data is collected? Primary data is collected from various sources. There are four important sources for collecting primary data. The first source, questionnaire, that is called mailed questionnaire. Second source, schedule, it is also called interview schedule. The third source called observation, and the last source is called interview. So these are the four sources from which primary data is collected. Next question, what is secondary data? Secondary data is also called second-hand information. Why it is called second-hand? Because it is already available. It is already existing. So secondary data may be either published or unpublished data, but it is already available. So it is called secondary data. So next question. What are the sources for collecting secondary data? Secondary data can be collected from 10 sources. They are, first source, textbooks. Second one, journal, magazine, periodicals, newspaper, government reports, bulletin, manual, circular and website. So these are the 10 different sources for collecting secondary data. Next question, what are the differences between primary data and secondary data? First difference, primary data is also known as first-hand information or original data because primary data is collected by the researcher himself. When you come to secondary data, it is called second-hand information. So simply speaking, primary data is a first-hand information, whereas secondary data is a second-hand information. Secondary difference. Primary data is not already available. It is not already existing. Whereas secondary data is already available. It is already existing. It may be either published or unpublished. The second difference. Third difference. Primary data can be collected from 4 sources: questionnaire, schedule, observation, interview. Whereas secondary data can be collected from various sources. Around 10 sources are available. The main sources are textbooks, journals, periodicals, reports, and websites. Next difference. Primary data may or may not be compulsory or necessary. So primary data is not obligatory. It is not compulsory. That depends upon the nature of the problem. For example, any problem relating to finance area, primary data is not required. So collection of primary data is not obligatory. When you come to secondary data is more or less compulsory or obligatory, because without secondary data there is no theoretical background. So any problem, as a matter of fact, secondary data is required. So secondary data is directly or indirectly obligatory. So these are the differences between primary data and secondary data. Now let me come to the sources of primary data. The first source, questionnaire. What is a questionnaire? Questionnaire is nothing but a set of questions or a list of questions. It is prepared by the researcher. This method of collecting data is useful when the population is very large. When the universe is very large, we can apply the tool questionnaire for collecting primary data, because the respondents are more in number. The respondents are scattered and they are different places. The researcher is in one place and respondents are in other places or different places. Under that circumstances, we can use the tool questionnaire for collecting primary data. So in the primary data, the questions are prepared and it is sent by post, and the reply is also received through post. So primary data is collected only through correspondence. So there is no personal contact between the respondent and the researcher in questionnaire. So there is no face-to-face contact between the researcher and the respondents in the questionnaire method of collecting or questionnaire source of collecting primary data. So only through correspondence we collect data. This is called questionnaire, and this source is suitable when the population is large or the universe is large or total number of respondents is large. Next method, schedule. It is also called interview schedule. This method is adopted for collecting primary data when the population is limited or the universe is limited or number of respondents is limited. Then we can use the tool or the source schedule or interview schedule. So in the interview schedule, it is also means a list of questions or set of questions. But in this method, there is a face-to-face contact between the researcher and the respondent, or personal contact between the researcher and the respondent. The researcher himself goes to the organization, he hands over the questionnaire to the respondents and he collects data in person from the respondents. That is why there is a face-to-face contact or personal contact between the researcher and the respondent. And this method is very easy to collect accurate data and immediate data. And it is also useful when to clarify the doubts raised by the respondents. That is why the data is accurate. This is called schedule or interview schedule. Third source, observation. What is observation? It means watching, looking, noticing. It also means seeing, but seeing with some purpose. So in observation technique, the knowledge is gained through watching. So it is useful for physical science and social science for studying the behavior, human behavior or animal behavior. We can use the observation method. And this observation method has three components. One is called sensation, another one is called attention, and the third one is called perception. Because of these three components, the researcher can gather knowledge through watching or noticing. This is called observation method. And the last method is interview. In this method, it is the best tool for collecting primary data, because in the interview method, it may be either verbal or non-verbal. So interview method, there's a personal contact. It may be either personal interview or telephone interview. This method is also adopted for collecting primary data. So these are the four sources, namely questionnaire, schedule, observation and interview. These four sources are available for collecting primary data. So simply speaking, questionnaire is best suited for collecting data when the universe is large, when the population is large. When the universe is small, the ideal method is schedule or interview schedule. That will give you accurate information, quick information, reliable information. So these are the various sources for collecting primary data. Regarding secondary data, as I said earlier, we have to refer textbooks, journals, magazines, periodicals, newspapers, bulletin, manual, circular, reports and websites. So we have to refer, and we can also refer previous PhD thesis, projects, MPhil dissertations for collecting secondary data. So this is with regard to collection of data. See you in the next video with other interesting questions and answers. Till then, goodbye.